Okay.
Right now, he made that pass though.
Okay, a pass, that ain't nothing. Everybody looking for the race. Shout out to Abby. Shout out to Abby. Here go Ronnie, y'all. Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah. They
first the Caprice,
yeah.
motor.
Yeah.
Now the Mustang, I'm gonna have to spray because they can't.
Yeah.
So that one is out the way.
Yeah.
Can I get you to say old school conventional motor now? You still can't say it. Come on, man.
Hell no.
Okay, what if I get paid?
Because I feel like I can still go faster and do something else to that Caprice and get you in that Caprice. I think I just needed to be up here at XRP or something. My shit was spinning.
Mine too.
Yeah.
Mine too.
I think I just need to get you up here.
I saw the video you was skating, but I was too, but I didn't see you, and I refused to get out of the gas and let you come back by. So I was doing the same thing like you, but I never saw you.
Yeah, I'm finna get you.
I'm not gonna do anything to the car because there's nothing to do.
Yeah.
He supposed to wait on me.
Okay, y'all, here we go. Money Honey. Money Z up here.
I need to drive here too.
Look, they talking about they seen flames on somebody else scream out. They seen flames out your truck. No, I think that was more.
How your pockets feel?
My pockets hurt. My pockets hurt. I dreamed about it. I dreamed about it all night last night. I said, man, old ass motor. Old ass motor got lucky. I was working on my Mustang, and I had two mechanics. Nah, cause I can beat it. I feel like I still feel like I can beat it. With the Caprice, I feel like I can steer that same race. I feel like I can win. Out here. Yeah.
I heard will show you that you have no chance.
All right.
Motor to Supercharged.
Yeah, all right, bet. Nah, you got a light car.
That really ain't a fair race.
Yeah, the weight is horsepower. That make up for this.
But you got a Supercharged and he don't have nothing.
Yeah.
So that evens it out. The weight.
Yeah, that make it even. It was a close race. I'm gonna get you. Yeah.
It was.
I was spinning too.
Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna get him when we get up here. I ain't gonna do no spinning.
Ain't nobody gonna spin up here. You know what? The truth gonna come out. But I started skating too, and I eased off of it, but I refused to let you come back by me, so I got back in. Hey, real talk, man. Real talk. I let him, because I started to get off of it.
Yeah.
But I never saw him, so I refused to watch him go back fucking by me. So I got back in. At that time, the cameraman didn't even want to show.
Yeah.
So you have to be looking at that. We're running.
Look out. I got one question.
Well.
Did you go out
Yeah. I told him that was 3 hours. That's it. I said it hurt. Let me go get the peroxide. 150. Got out of that thing. Yeah, I'm gonna get on the Kangas and Toluco. Man, I start running out that way. Oh, okay, what's up with it? We got high voltage racing team in the building, y'all. High voltage and performance. Okay. Let me see, that would have been, yeah, it would have been a 3-second pass. Would have went a 402 at 150. But he got out of it early because at the end it was kind of pulling to one side. Look out, you ready? You look like it. Okay. Got the Antari joystick in there. It's all a game.
Just trying to get some practice.
Yeah. Y'all check them out. Got them gauges right there. That's all he.
Fox Racing Team, baby.
Let them know one more time.
The Fox Racing Team. 37 Chevy Willys Coupe. The legend lives on.
Already. The legend lives on, y'all. Let's see what the fans don't like none of that big shit. Mac Daddy in the house. Shout out to Mac Daddy Pro Line hand cleaner one time for the one time. Keep them hands clean. Abby. We got Abigail. Shout out to Abigail one time.